CORY COVID, the meanest germ in the world. Those are the healthiest sisters in the world. I've infected Auntie, but I really want to make the sisters sick. Achoo! Auntie sneezed. One sneeze can have 100,000 germs. I could be everywhere.
Auntie, you should cover your mouth whenever you sneeze or cough.
Okay, then I will cover my cough with my hands.
Auntie covered her cough. But wait, she covered her cough with her hands. When Auntie touches anything, she will spread me everywhere.
Auntie, you shouldn't cover your cough or sneeze with your hands.
Why not?
Instead, you should always cover your sneeze or cough with your elbow. That stops germs from spreading. Always remember to wash your hands. When washing your hands, always use soap and water because germs hate soap. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds.
Germs like CORY hate soap. I've lost again. CORY is so sad.
Always cough and sneeze into your elbow. Wash your hands when you come home, before you prepare food or eat, and after the toilet. Always wash your hands with soap and water.